In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily stop showing photo app in search on your iPhone 15, 15 Pro, 15 Pro Max or any other iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes. Let's get started, and first off, guys, to go to search, we need just to swipe down at any place on any home screen. Just swipe down and then it will show you Siri suggestions at the top and the search box towards the middle of the screen. On search, we can search for any app. Just enter app's name and it will show you app icons towards the top of the screen. Here I got Photos and Google Photos apps. However, if you would like to stop showing Photos app in here in search, you can easily do so. To do that, head over to Settings, then scroll down until you find the Photos, then tap at Siri and search. And that's where you need to search for that option, which is called Show App in Search. To turn it off, tap at that button. And then, if we'll try to search for Photos app, that will not show us that app in search. If you would like to get it back, you can easily do so right from here. Just activate that option. And then the app will be available to find it in search. If this video helped you out, don't forget to hit the like button.